This conference will now be recorded.
Hi. Hello, everyone. Audible, guys?
Good evening, sir. Fine, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, you're
Good evening,
audible.
sir. Audible.
Hello, good evening,
Yeah.
sir.
Good evening. Very good evening. So, my name is Devabrata Ghosh, and I'll be teaching you guys SQL Server in and out. I have around 10 years of industry experience, almost 12 years of teaching experience, and I've been working on SQL Server more than 10 years now. So that's a brief about me, and I can see people are joining in. So guys, can we have a quick one-liner introduction from you all, so that we can have, you know, we can have an understanding.
Myself, Raju Kumar Gupta. I have 10 year experience in a store and purchase sector in a manufacturing firm.
All right. All right.
My,
Thank
my
you.
name is Aryan.
Yeah.
My name is
Hi,
Aryan, and I
Aryan.
have 2 years of experience in as a business analyst.
All right. Hi, Aryan. Welcome to the class.
Hi, sir. My name is Abhijit. I have 3+ years of experience in sales and marketing, and from past years, I'm working as a freelancer in business development.
All right. Welcome, Abhijit.
Thank you, sir.
Hi sir.
Yeah, hi.
Hi sir. Myself Savita Gaikwad. I am from Pune. I have 7 years experience in sales and marketing. Uh,
Mhm.
right now I'm in means bank assurance.
All right. All right.
Hi sir, myself Mahesh. I am from Visakhapatnam, sir. I have 3 years of experience in Hyundai Motors India Limited as a technical mechanical advisor, sir. Hello?
Yeah, Mahesh, you're audible.
Yes, sir.
Hi sir, this is Bhargav. I have 2 years experience in software as a software developer.
So, Bhargav, you have 2 years experience in software development. So,
Yeah,
in which particular domain you are working on currently,
I'm currently working on banking.
and which technology you are using for development?
For development, currently we are using for UI and for UI UX we are using Visualizer. For middleware purposes like Fabric and all these things, we are using JavaScript and Java. And backend we are using Oracle DB along with MySQL.
All right.
Yeah.
Who's next?
Uh, Hello, good evening, sir. My name is Utkarsh Sharma, and I am from Aligarh. And I have 1 year
Yeah,
experience in Capgemini.
yeah, hi, Utkarsh.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the class.
Hi sir, good evening.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Santosh. I'm currently looking after my father business. We have a toddy shop here in Hyderabad. So,
All right. Hi, Santosh.
hi.
Hi, sir.
Hi,
I'm
sir.
Sandhya. Yeah. Sorry,
Hi,
something.
Sandhya.
Yeah, yeah. I'm Sandhya, sir. I'm from Hyderabad. I have almost some 8 years of experience, 5.5 years experience in the banking, and the rest I'm currently working as a software engineer, front end developer.
Front-end developer. Okay. Do you
Yes.
have any experience in back-end technologies
No, no, sir.
like
I purely
database and
currently I'm purely working on the front end, which includes HTML, JavaScript, and the CSS part. But I have an idea on the SQL actually. Yeah, bit of an idea, but
okay.
not much. Thank you.
All right. All
Hi,
right.
sir. My name is Jamin. Uh, I have
Hi,
two
man.
years experience in manufacturing sector.
All right. Welcome, Jamin. All right.
Uh,
So,
Hi,
yeah,
Devabrata.
sure.
Yeah, hello.
From Bangalore. Currently, I'm working in Myntra. I'm a total beginner in SQL from a non-IT background.
All right. All right.
Hi, Devbrata.
So,
Hi Devabrata.
yeah, yeah.
Hi, I'm Raka from Kolkata. And basically, after my completing my masters, I prepared for government services for 5 years, and after that, I did two small internships, and now I'm studying this data science course. That's it. So I'm basically a fresher
Interesting.
after a career gap.
All right. All right.
Oh,
Welcome,
Yes.
Raka. Yeah.
thank you,
Yeah,
Devabrata.
this side is Chaturvedi. I am working as an analyst in SL Technology Bangalore. Thank you.
Hi, Ayush. All right. So, the purpose of having a brief one-liner from you guys is basically to have an understanding that the backgrounds and from where you guys are, what are your current roles and everything. But that has nothing to do with the course prerequisites or something. Okay, so you are a fresher, you are a developer, or you are a business analyst, that is not a prerequisite to start up with this course. And we are going to start from the scratch. So whatever domain you are currently working in, or whatever background you're having currently, that is perfectly fine to start with the course and learn SQL Server. And just to give you an outline, so when we are talking about data science, we talk about majorly different parts collaborating together. So data science is about working with data, right? So when we work with data, we work with data with separate layers. So first we need to store the data. First we need to store the data, then we need to able to access the same data. And once we are accessing the data, we need to make sure we are organizing the data in a such a way that we can represent the data, and we can predict, or we can predict the pattern from the old data, which we can predict for future reference as well. So there are different layers. Like we are going to use Excel, we are going to use Python, we are going to use BI tools. But most importantly, we need to know how we can access the data. And for that particular part, working on and around data, we need to learn SQL Server. Okay, so that's the whole purpose. We are currently working on this particular module, which is Microsoft SQL Server. So once you are done with Microsoft SQL Server, next you are going to learn on different topics which is relevant to your data science journey. That could be Excel, that could be MSBI, that could be Python, that could be reporting services, etc. Okay, and in this course we are going to work on the particular data part, that how we are going to store the data, how we are going to manipulate the data, and how we are going to access the data. All right, so having said that, let me quickly share my screen. And guys, as it's as it's a live class, so please make sure that you are using the benefits of a live class. So it's not a recorded session or something like this, right? You are on a live class, so whatever questions you are having, whatever errors you guys are facing, make sure you are clearing up all the questions, all the doubts, and so that we are on the same page. Okay, all right. So when we talk about database, or when we talk about data, to be very specific, so to store the data, we need to store the data in a particular format. Okay, and when we are storing the data in a particular format, that means we are organizing our data, and we are storing in a particular location or in a particular format. So the format we are storing the data is called as database. Okay, so we have some data. Let's say the data is A to Z. Okay, and we are storing the data in a particular database. And to handle the data, we have some particular enterprise level softwares. Enterprise level softwares means the softwares which are very robust in nature, which are proven industry, and which has a very strong backbone or a very strong vendor in the backend, so that if we have any problem with the software, we can get enough support from the vendor. All right. So we have majorly enterprise level softwares for database or RDBMS in the industry is like Microsoft SQL Server. It's a product from Microsoft. We have a product called Oracle. This is a product of Oracle itself. We have a product called DB2. This is a product of IBM. All right. And mostly now we use, currently in current situations, we have few cases of databases that are using MySQL as well. Okay. So that's majorly the popular relational database management system softwares we are having in the industry. And Microsoft SQL Server is one of the prominent software in the industry. All right. So before we go for this slides and everything, I want to make sure that we are having the necessary softwares and we are having the necessary setup ready to start with the course. Okay. So anyone in the class is having Mac OS or Linux OS, or everyone is using Windows operating system?
Yes, sir. I'm having Mac OS.
Aditya, you are having Mac OS. Anyone else using Mac OS or Linux? Because the reason I'm asking this, because SQL Server is a product of Microsoft and it's compatible with Windows only. All right. So please make sure that you guys have a Windows system so that you can work on this, software. So SQL Server is tightly coupled with Microsoft softwares. Hence, it is tightly enabled by Windows operating system only. Okay. All right. So first of all, we need to see how we can install SQL Server software. Okay. We have this link which we are going to use to install the software. So
Can you
this
also
page,
share it here in the text in the meeting?
sorry,
Can you share the link
sorry.
here? We all can
Yeah,
download.
yeah. I'll be sharing the link.
Okay, okay.
I'll be sharing the link. I'm just showing you guys how to navigate and download the software. Then I'll be passing the link. You guys need to install the software right away in the class itself. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So once the page is loaded, you need to scroll down. So here we have SQL Server on Azure, SQL Server at the edge, and SQL Server on premises. So these three options, we don't want to get into those options. We want to go a free licensing software, right? So developer edition is one of the fully featured free edition which we can use for learning purpose. So developer edition is the one which we are going to use. So after loading the page, scroll down a bit, we have this developer edition. You need to click on download now. That will start downloading the software. Okay. And once the software is downloaded, then we can install the software and we can configure the software. So now I'm going to give you the link in the chat. Everyone who is having Windows operating system, please use the link, download the software, and once the software is downloaded, please let me know. I'll make you guys presenter and I'll show you guys how to install the software. So for now, your task is to download the software from the link.
Yeah, I did that. Now it's asking for basic, custom, or download media. installation type.
All right. So, sort of, please hold on to that page. Okay. Don't click on
Okay.
anything for now. We'll
Okay.
go. So everyone at the same pace. All right.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
everyone, please start downloading the media or start downloading the software. It will take hardly 5 minutes for you guys to download the media. Okay.
Downloaded.
Once it's done, downloaded.
Yeah.
One second. Can Sorry for the interruption. I already have Microsoft Server Management Studio. Is that fine, or you want me to download again this?
Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is the client software. This is the server software.
So you
So
want me
you
to
need
download?
to, yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah, yeah, thanks.
So once it's downloaded by everyone, please
We're done.
do download the software in the class itself. If someone has joined from phone, make sure you are joining from laptop and start download this software now. Okay. Else, from the next class, it would be difficult to cope up.
So which option should we choose? Azure, Edge, or premises?
Mm, you need to, so Azure, Edge, on premises, you need to skip these three options. You need to scroll down and choose the developer option.
Okay.
Now should I click on open file like after downloading?
No, don't do anything yet. Once
Okay,
the file is downloaded, please hold on to that. And once everyone is done, then we'll proceed with that.
okay, okay.
Hello. Hi, sir. Umesh here. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, Hamish, go on.
Actually, they are asking me basic custom and download media in the developer edition.
So you need to close the window. Don't do
Okay.
anything. I think you have opened it. So don't
Okay.
open
Okay.
the media right away. Close
Okay.
the
Okay.
wizard and we'll proceed together. Okay. So I
Okay.
think
Okay.
this file is downloaded by everyone. So
Mhm.
I want one volunteer who can share the screen and I'll be guiding him or her how to do the installation and everyone else can
Can I
follow.
share my screen?
Is that
When I'm ready, Saurav here.
Sayed,
When
Sayed.
I'm
Sayed Saurav? Okay, let me go with
Yeah, sir, you can
Sayed
go.
Saurav. Okay.
yeah. Okay.
Saurav, I'm making you presenter. Okay.
Okay.
Please share your screen.
Yeah. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes,
Please
yes,
close the
visible.
wizard.
Okay. Okay.
Go to the downloaded location. The downloads. Yes.
Yeah.
Now right click on the software. Do right click
Okay.
and run as administrator.
Okay.
Click on yes to that.
Yeah.
Yes. So once this screen is popped up, you guys, everyone, please make sure that this screen is there. And now out of these three options, you guys need to click on basic. Okay. So basic will be an uninterrupted installation for you guys. So after that, you need to click on accept. Everything is there. Now click on install. Make sure that you guys have enough space in C drive. It requires almost 10 GB of space in C drive.
Sir, it is asking which package to download, ISO or cab.
That should not be the case. Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
May I know your name? I'll make you presenter.
Krati, Krati, sir.
Krati, right? Okay, I'm making you presenter. Please share your screen. All right. So please click on close. You need to close the wizard first.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Now go to download. Where is the software? Where is the
Sir,
package that
yes,
you have
yes,
downloaded?
yes, sir. Here it is.
Is this a package? Okay. Right click and
Yes,
click on run as admin.
sir. Again, it is showing the same thing.
Okay. Do one thing. Close it. Go to the page. Go to the web page.
Okay, sir.
Go to SQL Server downloads. So scroll up. Scroll up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Click on try SQL Server 2019. Click on that. All right. Now scroll down.
And again.
This is SQL Server 2022. Just a moment. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now click on download now.
This 2022.
Click on download now. Open now. Go to downloads. No, don't open it right away from there. You need to run
Okay,
it
sir.
as admin. Where it got downloaded.
Yes, sir. I'm searching for it.
Can you change the? All right. All right. So seems like you're having a different version of Windows, I believe. All right, no issues. So click on download. Did you click on cancel by any chance?
No, sir. No, sir.
Now click on no. Yeah. So media is now been downloading. So let's wait to complete the download. So for everyone else, what is the status? Is the media
Hello,
already
sir.
downloaded with you guys? Yeah.
It's the same case with me.
Sir, I'm facing. Hello, sir.
Yeah. Go on.
Sir, I'm facing the issue. Here it's showing application is running on some other page, but I'm unable to find out that. Can you please help me?
Yeah. Who is that? What is your name?
Tanish. Tanish this side, sir. Tanish.
Tanish. All right. Tanish, I'm making you presenter. Please share your screen. Now, did you click on download? All right. So right
Yes,
click
sir.
on the file and run as admin. Right click on the file, run as administrator.
Sir, this error is showing that another instance of this application is already running.
So that means you have already downloaded, or you need to re-download this, okay? Or you have already
But I'm
started
unable to delete.
all right. So do the download again. Go to the web page and click on
Sir,
download. Don't click on there.
Hello?
Don't click. That is the problem.
Hello?
So you must not click on the download file. Okay, you need to close the wizard first. So in the taskbar at the rightmost side, you have the wizard open. Taskbar rightmost. No, uh, follow my instructions. Okay. At the bottom we have
Yes, sir.
taskbar, right?
Yes, sir.
So in the taskbar, the rightmost program which is running, click on that. Not there in the taskbar. Yeah, click on that. Click on OK. All right. Now go to downloads one more time. No, not that. In the file explorer. In the file explorer, go to downloads. All right. In not that file. Not that file. Right click on the new file, which is the rightmost one.
This one, sir.
Yes. Right click, run as admin.
Can I click on yes?
Yes. Click on yes. All right. Do one thing. Open Task Manager.
Sir, from where?
Right click on taskbar. No need to do that. Right click on Windows button. There's a Windows button, right? Right click
Yes.
on that, and there's Task Manager. Open that. All right. Do you have any antivirus software which is currently scanning the system?
No, sir.
No, right?
No, sir.
Go to taskbar one more time. Scroll down. In the background process, please check if there is any SQL Server related service running or not. Scroll down. Scroll down. No, not that. Do one thing.
Yes, sir.
Do a quick reboot of your system and try the same thing again. Okay. I mean, you don't have to download the software
Okay, sir.
again. You just need to right click on the package and
Okay.
click to run as admin. Do a quick reboot
Okay.
and run the package as administrator and let me know.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Sir, which installation type we have to select?
The default one is there, which is ISO, right? So keep it as it is and click on download.
Basic custom or download media.
Yeah, basic,
Um,
custom, and download media.
Basic.
all right.
Basic.
Let me. All right. That option. So you need to click on basic.
Sir, it is showing me three options: connect now, customize, install SSMS.
All right,
Yeah,
that means
after
the
you
installation
install
is
it.
done.
Yeah, even
All
mine,
right.
it is this.
So sort of, I'm making you the presenter.
Okay, sure.
Please share your screen.
Sorry, Devabrata, just interrupting you for once. I lost my connection altogether, and hence my installation is also like interrupted. What should I do now? Can you please share the link once again?
Uh, yeah, no issues. I can share the link.
Okay. Okay.
So here is the link in the chat.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks.
All right. So in this page, whoever is currently on this page, please click on install SSMS button.
Okay.
All right. Once this page is loaded, you guys need to scroll down slowly. And there we have free download for SQL Server Management Studio. This link.
This one,
Yeah.
right?
So under download SSMS, we have a link. Free download for SQL Server Management Studio SSMS 18.12.1. Please click on that link and SSMS, which is the client software, will start downloading. Okay. So everyone, if you have installed the server, please click on install SSMS. All right, and download the SSMS software.
Hello,
Yeah, tell me.
which option has to choose basic, custom, or download media?
You need to choose basic. Yes.
Yes, it is downloaded now.
Now go to downloaded folder.
Okay. Think
Now you
this.
have SSMS setup ENU software downloaded in your folder, right? So right click on that software and run as admin.
Okay.
Now you need to click on install. And once SSMS is installed, you guys need to do a quick reboot of your system. Okay. So after installing SQL Server and after installing SSMS, after both the installations, I mean, once both of the installation is done, please do a quick system reboot and connect back to this call. Okay. Then we'll go ahead with configuring the software.
Okay.
So, sir, one question, Saurabh here.
Yes.
The server version, the server what we are using here, it will be the same as what companies use as their database management when they have SQL, right?
Yes. So we are using the latest version, which is SQL Server 2022, I believe. Okay. So it just
Okay.
got released very recently. Previously, it was SQL Server 2019, and I think it's been released for 1 week now.
Okay. Okay.
Link to download SSMS Studio, please.
Yeah. So click on link to download SSMS. So there's after the work, the software installation is done. The after the server installation or the first installation is done, there'll be a button called install SSMS. So you need to click on that button. That will land you to a page, um, this
Yeah,
page,
yeah.
and you
Got
need
it.
to scroll down and click on the link that is, um, you know, free download for SQL Server Management Studio 18.12.1.
Okay, thank you.
Gosh, after completion of the both the software, should we restart the system?
Yeah, please do a
Yeah.
reboot and join back to this call.
Okay.
Yeah, Amol.
Hello, sir. Hello,
Yeah,
sir. I'm
yeah,
having
tell
some
me.
problem.
Yeah,
Can
what
I share
problem?
my screen?
Yeah, sure, sure. All right.
Yeah, I can't share my screen.
Amol, please share your screen.
Hi sir,
Sir,
downloading is completed. Can I restart my
it's not
system?
enabled.
Yeah, yeah, please. Once the download is done, once the
Okay.
installation is done, both the installation
Okay.
is done, please reboot the
Mhm.
system.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Amol, I can't see your screen. Can you please share your screen?
1 second, sir. Sir,
Yes.
uh,
So,
it's not
so even
enabled.
mine installation is completed. I'll be back after rebooting.
All right. So Amol, you are now presented. Please share your screen.
Eh, 1 minute, sir. Yeah, I'm having this problem. Is it visible now? My screen?
Yes, yes. So you have installed the server, right? The first software is
Yeah.
installed, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you please read out the error message?
What?
Can you please read out the error message
Uh,
beside
Fatal
cross
error
symbol?
during Microsoft
Beside the cross
ODBC
symbol,
driver.
you have, yeah.
Microsoft ODBC Drive 17 for SQL Server. A previous
Yeah.
installation required a reboot of the machine for changes to take effect. To proceed, restart your computer and then run setup again.
Yeah.
All right. So please do a quick reboot of your system and then try to install SMS.
Okay, sir.
So it's basically a three-step process for everyone. The installation of server software, installation of SSMS, and rebooting your system. So once the three step is done for everyone, please let me know. Or if you guys are facing any challenges in any of the three steps, that also please let me know. All right.
Guys, Saurabh here. I rebooted the system. I'm back.
All right. All right. So please stand by.
Hi, Devendra. I'm still actually my system is still downloading the server. Actually, it's taking a long time.
All right. Okay. Depends on the network bandwidth, so no issues.
Okay. Okay.
SSMS setup also to be run as an administrator or what?
Yes. SSMS also you need to run as admin.
Okay.
So now I should click on install SSMS, right? After installation is completed, I should click
Yes.
on install SSMS.
Yes. Right.
Now what should I do? It's a new page. Where should I click?
So you need to scroll down a bit, and there will be a link under download SSMS, and the
Okay.
link is like download SSMS or download SQL Server Management Studio 18.12.1 or something, right?
Yes,
So
it's free
you need to
download.
click on that
Yes.
link. Yeah.
Okay.
Debrata, I have an issue, Debrata. Since it is already there in my system, I got three options: repair, uninstall, and close. So, which one you want me to select?
I'm making you presenter. You can share your screen.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is the one, right? Yeah, yes, this is the one.
Hmm. So Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is already there in your system. So you don't need to install Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio one more time. So you can skip this one, click on close.
Sure. Yeah, I can repair it or
No, we can work on SQL Server Management Studio, the existing software. If it's not working, then we can check other options like repairing or uninstalling or reinstalling.
yeah,
For
fine,
now, you
fine.
can click on close, and we'll see.
Yeah, I think it is actually working. One second, because I'll just recheck it. Because I already tried my hands on this, that's the reason it is already installed over here.
Mhm.
Yeah. So this is fine, right? So
Yeah,
yeah, okay. Thank you.
that's fine.
Hel- Hello, sir. Sir, this is Rishi. I am having same problem. Uh,
Mhm.
Actually, I will share my screen. Can you please allow there?
Yeah, I'm making you presenter. Just a moment. Yeah, please share your
Okay.
screen.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Another instance of this application is already running.
So did you perform the reboot?
No, sir.
All right. So I think someone else was also facing the same problem. Who was that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Hmm? was facing the same problem? There was someone else as well, right?
Yes,
Tanish,
sir.
was it you?
There was someone.
Tanish, right?
I think he was Aman.
Aman.
Hello, hello, sir. It's me,
Yeah,
Santosh.
Santosh.
I have downloaded the application, but
Mm-hmm.
it's showing as your operating system is not supported by SQL Server 2022. You may download
Yeah,
this
you're using
installation
Mac,
media.
right?
No, 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 no. Windows.
Windows.
Yes, sir.
All right. So let me first pick this one.
Hello,
Uh, yeah. So
sir. After
this is
rebooting the window,
Tanish,
it will
right?
work. Yes, sir.
Hello.
After rebooting, it worked, right? So yeah, please
Yes, sir.
do a quick reboot, Rishi. Please do a quick reboot of your system and try the same steps. I mean, try to run as admin. That will work. All right.
Okay, sir.
Who's next? Santosh, right?
Yes, yes.
Santosh. I'm making you presenter. Just a moment. Santosh. Yeah, please share your screen. All right. So you have downloaded the software, and can you go on? Yeah,
Yes, sir. I have
click on that.
downloaded, but okay.
Now you need to click on download. No, not that one. The wizard is already
Okay.
open, right? So just
Yes, sir. Yes.
skip this one.
Okay.
Click on that wizard. Now click on download. Yeah.
Okay.
Now this file will be downloaded, and then you need to click on basic.
I have downloaded it already, sir, but it's not showing.
Was this
It's
wizard
showing.
page was there previously?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Even I'm facing the similar issue. I've downloaded everything. After the close the download part, then nothing is showing.
After
Nothing is
downloading,
showing.
I'm getting open folder and the previous and close button. After opening open folder, nothing is open. So
Give it some time.
okay, okay, thanks.
Depends on the processing power actually. All right.
So after the downloading and everything was complete, so I'm not getting any. After I close that file, I'm not getting anything on my desktop or anything where it is installed or something.
Sir,
All
can
right.
you please?
Download is successful. Click on open folder. Open folder.
Yes, yes.
Mm,
This is
yes, this is the ISO file.
I need to
Right click
open
on the
this.
ISO file,
Yes, open it.
and then you need to mount it as virtual drive. Mount as a virtual drive.
Mount as a virtual. Okay. Hello.
Now click on this PC. In the left hand side,
Okay.
you have this PC, right?
Yes.
It's yet to be mounted.
Okay.
Click on back.
Okay.
Where is the ISO file? Sort by type. Right click. Do a right click. No, right click on the file. Right click on the file name. View disk image. Click on view disk image. Right. So you have setup.exe, right?
Yes.
Right click, and run as admin.
This has popped up, sir.
Which one?
Do
I
you
don't
want
see
to
the
either
pop-up.
follow? Do you want to follow the following program to make changes to this computer?
Click on yes.
Okay. This program cannot start because SQL setup bootstrapper.dll is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix this problem.
Seems like
Hello?
some DLLs are missing from your operating system. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Did you scan your operating system and quarantine some of the DLLs from the operating system by any
Don't. It's
chance?
actually my sister's laptop, sir. I don't have any personal laptop, so I'm using her laptop. I need to ask her.
So can you please click on the MS SQL wizard one more time? Beside go to
Okay.
meeting in the taskbar, you have the SQL Server wizard, right? Click on that.
Yeah. This, sir.
No, close the program.
Okay.
Now in the taskbar, the second right program you are having. Yes, this one.
This one.
No,
Yeah.
no, no. Beside that, you
Okay.
can close this program.
Are you sure you want to exit?
Yes.
Okay.
You can also close this one. This power to go one. All right. Hmm. I think some of the DLLs are missing in the system. Let's do one thing.
Okay.
Do a reboot of your system. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And then instead of opening the ISO file, please delete the ISO file. Shift del. Yeah.
Okay.
So please reboot the system once. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then try to run as admin with the SQL package.
Okay. Okay. Thank you,
Hello,
sir.
sir. It's me, Abhijit. I'm
Yeah.
after everything downloading and everything was complete. I closed the file, that downloading page. Now I'm not seeing anything. So can you help me out? How do I do that? Means can I go to the C drive and check where the file is saved?
Didn't get your question. I'm making you presenter. Please share your screen.
No, no, you can search there and you should have to open that.
Means, uh, here in the local file it's showing that SQL 2022. But after downloading and everything was complete, I didn't get any desktop icon or anything.
So you downloaded and you also installed.
Yeah, I installed.
Can you click on downloads in the left hand side?
Yeah. First this thing I downloaded and
Uh,
then second these two.
and you also installed both of the
Yeah,
softwares, right?
yeah, yeah, yes, sir, yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So you have done the reboot.
No, sir, I've not done the reboot now. So shall I do
Okay,
the
do a
reboot?
quick reboot and do a quick
Okay,
reboot and stand by. Then we'll be sharing. I'll be sharing how to configure the services. All right.
okay, okay,
How to
okay,
configure the
okay,
services and connect to the software that I'll show.
okay, okay, okay.
All right.
Raka.
Who's next?
I'm Raka. I share my screen? Like
Yep, sure.
I have downloaded that SP SMSs or whatever. Then what to do?
Let me make you presenter. Please share your screen.
Is my screen visible now?
Yeah. So have
Now this
you
is
installed both of the softwares?
no. I have downloaded here SSMS. Now what to do? This
And
is
the
the
previous
download
software
page.
is the previous software you installed?
Yeah, previous one installed. From there, it is auto directed to this install SSMS. And then what should I do after downloading it?
Can you in the taskbar in the second right one in the taskbar the second right software that is opened? Yeah, that one. Please click on that.
Yeah.
Close. Click on close.
Are
Yes.
you sure? Okay.
Now right click on SSMS setup and run as admin.
Can you see how long it is taking?
So did you click on run as admin?
Yeah, yeah, yes. But my internet connection is very unstable, you know.
Mhm. Now click on yes.
No, it hasn't come.
Okay. It
Okay,
should
now
prompt.
it has come. Yeah, now it has come. Yes. Okay, I've clicked on yes.
All right. That should give you a wizard.
Nothing is there. Oh, it's still loading. Okay, now I should click on install, right?
Yes. Click on install. That will install SSMS in your system. And once the installation is done, please do a quick
Hmm.
reboot of the system. Okay.
Okay. Should I stop sharing?
Yeah. Please stop sharing. Who's next?
But I have done the reboot. It's me, Avijit. Just after things.
All
I've
right.
done the reboot. What are the next steps?
So next step is like now we are going to configure the services and now we are going to see how we can connect to the instance. Okay.
Okay.
So for
How to do
that,
that?
I'm still waiting for others to cope up. Okay. So let's give them 5 more minutes to complete the installation. Then we'll move on with configuring the services and connecting to the software. Okay.
Hello, sir. I'm Satya here.
Yeah, Satya.
Sir, I'm having a wizard like SQL Server Installation Center. In that, what I have to select?
I'm making you presenter. Please share your screen.
Yes. Sir, is it visible?
Yes. But
Sir, here,
did you click on basic or you clicked on customize?
sir, media, sir, I think I have selected.
You need to close this one.
Need to close.
Close this wizard.
Sir.
In the top right corner, you have a cross button. Yeah. Now go to downloads one more time.
Yes,
Right
sir.
click, right click, run as admin. Click on basic. Accept or agree. Click on install.
Sir, I'm not getting
All
the
right,
third file in the download option, which everyone else is getting. I'm not getting that. I just have two files. The one I downloaded previously.
that's not a problem. The amount is running SQL.
Oh, they need to run as an administrator probably.
Mm, you did run it as admin or you didn't run it as admin?
I have selected run as admin. So
You run it as admin. Okay.
I'll try it as
So you logged in to your laptop or desktop as a user or as a guest user?
a user on user. So
User only, right?
yes,
Mm, the account that is running SQL Server setup does not have all the following rights: the rights to backup file and directories, the right to manage auditing and the security log, and the right to debug program. To continue, use an administrator account. Do one thing, close it. Seems like your user doesn't have the admin privileges. Okay. Mm, do right click on the package one more time. Click on run as administrator. Did you click on yes?
yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
All right. Now click on accept. Click on install. All right. Do a quick reboot and try again, please.
Yes, sir. Okay.
All right. Shreyash, who's next? I can see Shreyash has raised his hand.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
So actually, I'm having this issue. It is I downloaded the first one, but in second, when I was and if first one is installed, in second the SSMS in that I'm having issue. So it is saying that setup failed. This installation package is not supported by this processor type. Contact your product vendor. So what should I do?
You have a 32-bit processor or you have a 64-bit processor?
I guess it's 32-bit because I'm using old one. My laptop went for repairing, so it will come by tomorrow.
All right. And do you have an operating system of 64-bit or 32-bit?
It's a new laptop. I need to check, but I'll check it and I'll let you know.
All right. So mostly the issue arises if you have a 32-bit processor and you are trying to install a 64-bit software. Okay. So
Uh-huh.
please check your CPU architecture, and if it's
Okay.
64-bit, that should work fine. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
Thanks.
So let me now work on the configuration part. Okay. Who wants to share the screen?
I'm ready. Saurabh.
Me, Umesh.
Uh, all right. Let me pick Saurav. Saurav, please share your screen.
Yeah. Okay. So
All right. So you have installed both of the software and you have restarted your system. Now
yeah.
click on Start menu, click on All Applications, scroll down. It should start with M. Okay, yeah, here it is. Microsoft SQL Server 2022, Microsoft SQL Server Tools 18. So expand Microsoft SQL Server 2022. The first red one icon, SQL Server 2022 Configuration Manager. Open that.
Open or run as admin?
No, just click. It will open as admin only. You need to click on yes.
Okay.
All right. Now click in the left hand side. You have SQL Server Services. Click on that.
Yeah.
All right. So the bottom service, SQL Server Agent, right click on that. Go to Properties. Click on Services. Start mode. It's manual. Please change it to automatic. Click on Apply. Then OK.
Okay.
Right click on SQL Server Agent. Click on Start. All right. Do the same thing for SQL Server Browser.
Yeah. Done.
All right. So everyone, so first we need to go to SQL Server 2022 and we need to open SQL Server Configuration Manager. Okay. And then we need to make sure that all the start mode of the services. Then we need to click on SQL Server Services, right? Then we are going to see three options or three services running in your system. So these three services are responsible for our SQL Server software. So these three services are running our SQL Server software. Okay. So we need to make sure that the start mode of all three services are automatic in nature. So we need to right click on the services if it's manual in nature. So in the start mode column, so first is name, then we have state, then we have start mode. Start mode is automatic, right? We need to make sure the manual ones are changed to automatic and then we need to start the services. So please do that. If anyone is facing any problem, let me know.
Debabrata, I have done my second step. Now I'm restarting my computer and I'll get back to you. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Sandhya here. I do not have only three. I have multiple Devrita. So can I do for all that automatic?
May I know your name?
Sandhya.
All right. Let me make you presenter.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Can you please raise your hand? It's easier
Yeah,
for me to
yes,
search.
yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Can you presenter?
Yeah, one second.
I think you already had installed the SQL Server in your system, right? Previously.
Yeah, yeah. So I have just sorted it. So there are some manual things. So you want me to make it as automatic or that's fine? Can I leave this step?
Just a moment. Huh? You already have. So I believe you already installed SQL Server in your system previously. Am I correct?
Yes, 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 yes. That is actually 2019, I believe.
All right. Hmm. but now it's difficult to understand which version
Shall
is
I
actually.
shall I help you? Only the like the three options in mine, right? In that first one and second one, the SQL Server, MSSQL Server, that is automatic and running in your as well. Second one is SQL Server Browser, even that is running and automatic. Third one is SQL Server Agent, MSSQL Server. So that is second last. So that you need to make automatic. Yeah,
No,
that.
no, no, hold on. So, MS, no, hold on, don't start that. So, the thing is, the default one will start naming with MS SQL Server only. So, first installation, it installed with the name of MS SQL Server. The second installation named is as MS SQL Server 01. The third installation is MS SQL Server 02. So, this is our server. Okay, MS SQL Server 02. So, right click on that.
MS
Hmm.
SQL servers or agent one you're talking about?
MS SQL Server agent. In the brackets, we have MS SQL Server 02, right?
Yes, yes, yes. This is the
Go
last
to
one you're
properties.
talking.
Yeah,
Yeah.
go to properties. Hold on for a moment. Click on advanced
Yeah.
and please close this one
Yes.
and right click on SQL Server, MS SQL Server 02, SQL Server. Yeah, go to properties.
It was in service tab, not in advanced actually. The
Now,
automatic option.
can you please click on advanced? No, I'm checking a different thing actually.
Okay, okay.
Can you please expand this window?
Expansion.
Go to any one of the corner except the closed one or
I'm just
the
actually.
bottom right corner. Go to the bottom right corner.
Yeah.
All right, do one thing. Dump directory. All right, 1 2 3 4 or data path. Can you please scroll right to the data directory? Yeah, click on that.
You want me to double click on this?
No, the right column. You need to click on the right column.
Okay, okay.
Slowly, go a bit slowly. That's it, right? And the upper one, data path.
Yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah, this is the last cursor I put.
All right,
Yeah.
all right. So yeah, do the same thing for MS SQL Server 02. Close this one or cancel this one. Yeah, SQL Server Agent, the last service, go to properties, change it to automatic. Click on services,
So
change
can
it
I
to
increase it to automatic here?
automatic, apply OK, and now start the service.
Mm. What next to be done?
Now right click on the service and click on start. The last service, right click on that and click on start. All right. All right.
Yeah.
So we are.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's
Okay,
it.
thanks. Thank you. Thank you so
So
much.
now please close this one. You can keep on sharing your screen. No issues. Please share your screen again because we have something else to do as well. So close this window and close the browser as well, or minimize the browser. Please minimize the browser. All right. Now click on Start button. Click on All apps. Scroll down. Scroll down. We have no. Scroll up. Sorry. Scroll up. It would be with M. Scroll up a little bit. A little bit more. No, this is my SQL. Scroll up. Yes. Hold on. So we have Microsoft SQL Server Tools 18, right? The below one. Microsoft SQL Server Tools 18. Yeah, expand that. Now we have Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 18. Click on that. Yes. So this is the client tool. So everyone, once the service configuration is done, that means changing the service startup mode from manual to automatic and starting all the required services. Please open SQL Server Management Studio software. And once the software is open, we need to make sure this form is correct. So first is server type. Server type should be database engine. Then server name. So click on the drop down for server name and click on browse for more. Now expand database engine node. We have a database engine node. Please expand that. Hold on for a moment. Yeah, 02, the last one. Click on the last. So and this thing you need to remember. Okay. So you have installed the software with the name of MS SQL Server 02. As you have multiple installation already there in your system, please remember that the instance you need to use is MS SQL Server 02. Okay. Now,
Uh,
as you have
so
selected that, click on OK. Yeah.
sorry to interrupt. Actually, Saurabh here. In mine, it is not showing like this. It is just showing the system name.
No worries. I'll come to that. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Now click on OK.
Is Sayed here?
Now click on
Can I
connect.
share
Yeah.
my screen? Actually, I haven't.
Yeah, Shahid.
Okay,
Just a
sorry.
moment. Huh?
Okay, okay, okay.
Now click on connect. So authentication is right. Windows authentication should is the right option only. Now click on connect, please. All right. So it's connected. Fine. Who's next? Shahid, right?
Yes, yes,
Shahid,
yes.
can you please raise your
Yes,
hand?
yes.
Debabrata, I want to share screen after Sayed.
Okay, no
Okay,
issues.
Raka.
Syed, make presenter. Yeah, you share your screen. That's a good selfie.
This one.
Yeah.
After this, what should
So
I have to do? This one?
you need to click on SQL Server 2022 Configuration Manager. Now in the
This
left
one,
hand
no?
side, you have SQL Server Services. Yes, click on that. And now, as you can see, the start mode is one is automatic, one is other, one is manual. So we need to make
Yes.
sure
Yes.
every service is running under start mode automatic. Okay. So right click on the service, go to properties, go to service, change the start mode as automatic, apply. Okay. Do the same thing for the second one and start both the service. Yeah, start the service. Right. Now do the same thing for the agent. All right. All right. The next one is Raka. Raka, I'm making you presenter.
Yes, thank you.
Please share your screen.
Yes. Is my screen visible now?
Yeah, it's visible.
Hello. Okay.
Yeah, it's
So
visible.
okay, so I have restarted my computer. Now what should I do? I mean, please guide me the third step.
All right. Click on start.
Mhm.
Now scroll down. Scroll down the menu.
This one, right?
Now under
This
MS
one.
SQL Server 2022, expand that. MS SQL Server 2022. Yeah. Expand that folder. Click on SQL Server
Yeah.
Configuration Manager. The first one, the red icon. Yeah.
Hmm. Yes.
Click on
Yes.
yes.
Now I should. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now.
Now click on SQL Server Services. Whatever steps I just shown to Syed, you need to perform the same thing.
Uh, Properties, right?
No, no. So this is the start mode is automatic for the first one. The
Okay.
start mode is automatic already. We need to make sure the
Okay.
other two services are automatic. So
Okay. So
change it to automatic
properties.
and then start the service. Click on service, change the start
Then
mode to automatic.
which one? This one.
Yes.
How to do that?
Change the
Oh
click on
yes,
that.
yes. Okay.
Apply.
I have clicked on OK.
No issues. Right click on the service. Do slow. Huh?
Oh, sorry. Should I do it again? The
No,
second
not required.
second one. Okay.
No, not required. Right click on the
Oh,
second service and start the service. Hold on.
yeah.
You should start the second service. You have started the third service without changing the start mode. Go slow. You are learning a
Okay.
new
Okay.
stuff. So no
Yeah.
need
I'm
to speed
sorry.
up.
Okay.
Now for the third service, right click on the third service,
Mhm.
go to properties, click on service, change the start mode to automatic, click on apply, then OK. Now right click on the third service and click on restart.
Restart. Okay.
Hmm. As you started the service already, So to take the start mode effect, you need to restart the third service. All right, who's next?
I have already opened the management studio, so can you repeat the steps that we need to perform after that?
Yeah, just give me a moment. Uh, so I can see three raised hands. Raka, I think
No,
already addressed.
yeah, yeah.
So Umesh, is your
Yes, sir.
doubt clear, or you have any doubt to clear now?
Yes, I have doubt, sir.
All right. What is the doubt?
Uh,
Yeah, after I clicking the database engine, na, plus sign,
Hmm. Hmm.
the the name is not comes like you, that laptop it be another name is come here. Can I share my screen quickly?
Yeah, please share your screen.
Yes, yes. It is visible. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, when I click here, na, here I don't get anything.
No, you are getting one service.
Only this one.
So you have installed your software. Now you just need to connect. Now click on OK.
Okay.
Now click on connect.
Okay. That's only right.
That's it. Yeah. Who's
Okay.
next?
Thank you.
Hi sir, Datta here.
Yeah, that.
Actually, I just joined. Can you tell me what should I do now? I'm so sorry for the late.
It's too difficult to cope up now. Sorry, Datta. So you need to go through the recordings. All right.
Can you just tell me which file we have to download so I can download it till the video is uploaded?
So here is the link. I just pasted the link in the chat. Okay. Please save the link for your reference and follow the instruction from the recordings. That will help you to guide. Okay. Who's
Okay.
So
next?
it's me.
Shora?
Yeah, it's
Hi, Shipra this side.
Yeah,
Actually,
Shilpa.
I'm getting the Object Explorer, and the few items are written down there. In this process, the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Can I share the
Mm,
screen?
making you present. Please share your screen.
Yes.
All right. What's the doubt?
Yeah, this one. What is to be done in this?
Oh, so we are yet to go there. We are currently
Okay.
doing the service configuration. Okay.
Okay. Is it
Okay.
done till what? What have you taught right now? The
Yes.
steps.
Yes. You are
Yeah.
up to the mark. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Next is Abhijit or Saurav.
Yes, sir. So mine it is about the browsing for servers. Uh,
Mhm.
yeah, so it is showing the laptop name, the system name over here.
You need to click on the laptop name, click on OK, and click on connect.
Okay.
Right.
Um,
So now
check.
let me share my screen. Okay.
Devabrata, one more thing. I'm interrupting you. Sorry. That is, what is the
Mhm.
last step? Can you please guide me? Like after doing the three things, what should I do now?
Yeah, that I'll be showing by sharing my screen. Okay.
No, actually, the last step I haven't done. Like the thing you were guiding Saurabh, I just saw it once, but I haven't done that.
No issues, no issues. I'll be showing that in the class now.
Okay, okay.
Okay. All right. So is my screen visible to everyone?
Yeah, it
Yes,
is visible.
it's
Yes.
visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So after doing the service configuration, we need to open SQL Server Management Studio that we can find We need to go to all apps. Then we need to search with the name of M. Under M, we can see Microsoft SQL Server Tools 18. Under that, we have Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 18, this software. Okay, we need to click on that. All right, so once Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, or in short, we call it SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. So once the software opens, we need to make sure we are selecting correctly the fields. Server type should be database engine. Server name, we need to select. So server name, we need to click on the drop down. We need to browse. Then under database engine, we'll be having the instance name or server name. Okay, so we need to click on that. For you guys, it would be only one. Okay, so you need to click on that and you need to click on OK. Now authentication would be Windows authentication. Now once it's done, we need to click on connect. So that will connect us to the SQL Server software. Now here we have few things to understand first. So this is the tool that we are going to use throughout the session, throughout the training, and this is the primary tool that is basically used by Microsoft SQL Server. Now we have two major components. One is server, one is client. Okay, so server is what? Server is MS SQL Server services. That is, what are the services? The three service under configuration manager. MS SQL Server configuration manager, we see. So the combination of the three services that actually providing us the MS SQL Server service. Okay, or in short, we call it MS SQL Server. All right. Now the next thing is client. Now what is client in our system? The client is SSMS, or we call it, or we call the software as SQL Server Management Studio. Right. What is the software? The software I'm currently working on. This software is called as client software or SQL Server Management Studio. Now, this MS SQL Server, this is the server software, and the client software is SSMS. How we can connect to the server? We need to open the client software. We need to give the server details. What was the server details? The server name, right? So after giving the server name, we clicked on connect. So once we clicked on connect, now we can see we have connected to the server. So what is this? This is basically the visual representation of the server. So we cannot do anything with the services, right? We can see the services, but we need to interact with the service. In order to interact with the service, we need to connect to the service. So how we can connect to the service? We can connect to the service using the client software. So using the client software, we have connected to the service. This is the server we have connected to. All right. Now under the server, we have databases. We have multiple databases, but for you guys won't be having any databases, right? Because I have created these databases, but for you guys, you are yet to create any databases, right? So I need to show you guys the functionality of these buttons. So this is connect to database engine. The same thing works with this button. This will give you the connection option. Okay. Now if you want to disconnect to the instance, you need to click on disconnect. So first you need to click on this server name, and then you need to click on disconnect. That will disconnect the server. Now how I can connect back to the server? I need to click on connect button, or I can click on this connect database engine. Okay, so this is my instance name connected to the instance. All right, now we need to understand what is this architecture of the software. Now I discussed about server, I discussed about client. So the architecture currently is in use is called as client server architecture. All right, so what is client server architecture? Anyone is having any idea about client server architecture?
So, maybe just a guess. The data will be saved on a different server, and we connect with that, and then we use the data, something like that, maybe.
Yes, yes. So any example from our current world
Uh,
environment?
yeah, let's take Google Sheets or Google Photos or maybe Google Drive as well.
All right, fair enough, correct one. So let me give you an example now. So here I opened what? I opened Google Chrome, right? So
Yeah,
Google Chrome is what? Google Chrome is a browser. So
yeah.
in our case, Google Chrome is a browser, that means a client. In our case, it is SQL Server Management Studio. All right. So a internet browser is basically nothing but a client, which will give you a interface to connect to the server. Now I have connected to the server of Google. How I have connected to the server of Google? Using the instance name or the connection to the Google server, right? So this is the path, or this is the instance name, or internet world we call it URL. Okay, so this is the URL. Using that I have connected to the Google server. So if I talk it in SQL terms, this is my instance name, right? Now I want to connect to the this particular server, and this is the instance name, right? In the same way, this is my server name or instance name. Now I have connected to Google server. How I have connected? Using a client software. What is the client software? Google Chrome. Okay. Now as I have connected to the Google server, I can search anything in Google. Let's say client server architecture. Now as you can see, about these many results has been shown in less than 1 second. All right. Now the question is, do I have this amount of data in my system regarding client server architecture in my laptop, right? In my laptop, I don't have this amount of information about client server architecture. and my laptop also doesn't have the capabilities to perform the processing in so fast manner. So how this actually happened? So this actually happened using client server architecture. So what was that? So these devices are called as client. Okay, it could be a laptop, it could be a mobile, it could be a desktop. So from laptop, mobile or desktop, we are opening the client software, which is called as internet browser. In our case, it is Google Chrome. Now we have connected via internet to the Google server. This is Google server. Okay. Now from client, we have connected to Google server using the server name, and the server name is www.google.com. Okay. Now once the connection is established, I can pass a request to the server. So what was the request? The request was client server architecture. This was the request, right? So client server architecture request was passed to Google server. Google server processed the request. First, it transformed the request from English language to a language which Google server can understand, right? So it transformed the request from English statement to some other statement which the Google server can understand. After the transformation, it performed the respective query, or it performed the search operation with a huge amount of data, right? So Google server is holding like a petabyte of data, I believe, and it's performed basically a search operation among all the information regarding this client server architecture, and it gave us, once the result is generated after the processing, it gave us the information back to our client. So we are just the sender of the request and the receiver of the output. The entire processing is being done by the server. So it doesn't really matter what is the processing power of the clients. If it's a mobile, or it's a very old laptop, or it's a very old desktop, that doesn't really matter, because we are just sending the request. The entire processing is being done by the server, and we are getting back the output. All right, this architecture is called as client server architecture, and SQL server works on exactly the same principle. So SQL server is also working on client server architecture. Here SSMS is the client software, and our SQL server software that we have installed is the server software. Now using SSMS, we have connected to the SQL server. So here from SSMS, we are connecting to SQL server. Is it clear, or anyone is having any questions? Is it clear about the client server architecture and how SQL server is utilizing the client server
Yes, clear.
architecture here?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Gosh, a small doubt. By using
Yeah.
SQL Server, we are connected to SSMS, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you have told us that by using SSMS, we are connecting to SQL Server.
No, no. Can you come again? Can you reiterate
Yeah.
the question?
Yeah. Gosh, what I'm just asking is, we are using SQL Server to connect with SSMS, right?
No, the opposite. So SQL Server is a software which is running in the operating system as a service. Okay, this
Okay.
is a service which is providing us the database service. Okay, now how we can utilize the service? To utilize the service, we need to first connect to the service. How we can connect to the service? So SQL Server is providing us the service. Which service? The database service, right? So SQL Server is providing us the database services. Now to utilize these services, first we need to connect to the services, right? Who is giving us the privilege to connect to the service. The client software SSMS is giving us the permission to connect to the service. So SSMS or the software we opened here, you see, this is the interface. Okay, this interface is giving us the privilege to connect to SQL Server. So this you see here, this is the SQL Server we have connected from SSMS. Is it clear?
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Now, just to give you a better idea, please see the services. If we go to services, so here are all the services that is running in our operating system. Okay, so if you see, here it is, SQL Server Hermes. So for you guys also, if you open services that is running, that is actually providing services in your system. Okay, so every service that is providing some service in your system, you can open services and you can see the service details. So this is the SQL Server service that is installed in our system, and you can see the SQL Server agent service as well. So for you guys, that would be mostly SQL Server, SQL Server agent, and SQL Server browser. That's it. Okay. All right. Now the next thing is, so for now we have done the installation. We have done the installation of SSMS. We have seen how we can connect to SQL Server. Now we understand what is SQL instance. So SQL instance is this. Okay. Or in other terms, this is SQL instance. Okay. Now next is SQL database. What is SQL database? So under database node, if we expand the database node, we can see all the databases are listed here, right? So how we can create a new database? For you guys, you don't have a database listed here, right? So for you guys, you need to create a database. So to create a database, you need to right click on the database folder or database node. Right click on that. We have new database option. Click on that. Here we have to give the database name. Let's say the database name is class 1. Okay. Now let's click on OK. So the database is created. Now we need to click on database folder, and this is the refresh button. So if we refresh the database folder, the class 1 will come up after AdventureWorks because it is ordered alphabetically, right? So click on database node and click on refresh. So see, this database appeared here. Now you need to understand one thing, that here in the object, this is called as object explorer. The left side pane, you see, this pane is called as object explorer. So this pane doesn't refresh automatically. You need to click on the instance name and do a refresh manually to take effect all the changes. So take effect of all the changes visually. So the changes has been made at server level, but to appear the changes visually here, so the visual reflection doesn't happen automatically. You need to do a refresh manually. Now how we can create a database from UI is just simply right click on database node, click on new database. All right, the wizard new database wizard appears. Now we need to give a database name, let's say class 2. Now we need to click on OK. That's it. Okay, so class 2 appearing here. Let me do a refresh. Here is class 2. Now how we can delete a database? Very simple. right click on the database that we want to delete. First, to create a database, we did a right click on database folder. Now to delete a database, we need to right click on the database itself. So right click on the database, click on delete. Make sure you are checking on both the checkboxes. Okay. So you need to check on both the checkboxes and click on OK. So the database is now dropped. So I want to drop class 1 database as well. Right click on class 1 database, clicking on delete. I have two options: delete backup and restore history information from the databases, close existing connections. Right now click on OK. That's it.
Devabrata, sorry for interrupting. I'm not getting, like after refreshing, I'm not getting class 1 and class 2.
So did you created the new databases?
Ah, yes, both the databases.
You have created both the databases. Let me make you presenter. Let's see. Raka, right?
Yes, yes.
I'm making you presenter. Please share your screen.
Is it visible now?
Yeah.
Okay, so as you can see, there is no class 1 and class 2.
You need to expand the database node. There's a plus sign in the left hand side.
Oh, okay, okay, I'm sorry. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
All right. So anyone
Stopping.
else? Yeah. Anyone
Hmm.
else having any doubts or questions? All right. So today we have done the installation of SQL Server, installation of SSMS, configuring SQL services. Then we have checked what is SQL instance. We have created databases. That's it. Now what is SQL table and what is SQL data? So SQL table is nothing but a container to, so see, database is a bigger container to store the data, and within a database we have smaller containers to segregate the data. For give you an example, let's say you in a school we have different classes, right. So school itself is a bigger um, set, bigger data set or bigger set, and within the bigger set we have smaller sets as well, right, different classes. So database is a bigger container in simple words, and tables is a smaller container which will segregate our information, and we are going to save our data in the tables, and we are
Uh,
going to save our tables in the database. So this is the hierarchy you need to understand. First
Sorry,
we
there was
have instance.
Sir,
Yeah.
are you sharing screen here? Actually,
yeah,
we
I
are not
cannot.
able to see.
Yeah, I'm very sorry. Yeah. All right.
Might be.
So we need to understand the hierarchy. First we have SQL instance, that is this one. Okay. Under that we have databases. Okay. These are the databases. Under the databases we have tables. Okay. So you guys are not going to see tables under your class 1 and class 2 databases, because you need to create the tables, then only you can see the tables. So these are the tables, right, and the data we are actually storing is within the table, right. So the hierarchy is, first we have instance. Under a instance we can have multiple databases. Under a database we can have multiple tables, and we are going to save our data in table only. So the data is going to be stored in tables, and the tables are going to be there within a database. So first is instance, then we have database, then we have tables, and then we have the actual data within a table. All right. So is it clear till now, or anyone is having any questions?
Yeah, clear.
Clear.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Clear, sir.
All right. So let's wrap up for today. So it's 10 p.m. now. Today we have learned about, so any problem in the installation, or the installation is done for everyone?
It's done, I think. It's done.
All right. So tomorrow onwards, we are going to start up with the modules, and we are going to start with the next topics. All right. Thanks, everyone. We'll catch up tomorrow. Good night.
Yeah, thanks so much. Thank
Thank
you
you,
so much.
Devrata. Good night.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.